I'm Will Sampson from Cabinet Maker FDM magazine. We're in the shop today to talk about the new DeWalt DWE315 oscillating multi-tool. Now you probably recognize these kinds of tools since Fine's Multimaster invented the category years ago. But recently there have been a lot of new tools that have entered this category, and DeWalt is trying to really reinvent it with some clever new ideas. It has a lot of interesting features on this tool. Probably the best feature is the quick change tool change. So you can take off, you just click this lever and pull that off, and you can put any number of interesting tools on here. Like this is a little saw. This is a putty knife type thing, and this is actually a heavy-duty saw that will cut through nails. Why don't we show you how that works? I'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see. So that was just cutting off a piece of molding. One of the things, the reason, if you're not familiar with these tools, the thing that is really attractive about them is the very fine, I'm going to zoom in again, oscillation. So there's hardly any movement here at all, because it's just so fine, and that's really great for detail work. And one of the other things about this tool that's great for detail work is the dual triggers. This paddle here gives you really good control for adjusting the speed, and then if you want to go full out, you can pull the back trigger here, lock it in space, and you have full speed. The other thing that's very handy about this adjustable thing here is you can move this to different positions that might be more conducive to the special job you've got. And here's a good example. Got a stool here. Sanding in this inside part of the stool would be next to impossible with most power sanders, but with this tool, it works great. And the other feature that you can see here that's very handy is this headlight. I really like that. That's great for getting into tight spots. About my only complaint on this tool is that I wish that it had onboard vacuum-powered dust collection. The Fine has that available, and perhaps DeWalt will come up with that in addition. The quick-release tool change is really handy though, and the tool comes with about 30 accessories, a nice bag, and different grit sanding pads, and the pads are just the hook and loop type that are real easy to change. Great little device. Now this is a corded unit, but DeWalt also has a cordless unit, which I have not tested, but that sounds like a great opportunity too. But it's a great tool, available wherever the DeWalt tools are sold. Something definitely worth checking out. That's what we got for today. You can see more tool reviews and product information on our website at www.cabinetmakerfdm.com. Thanks for watching.